Be the change you want to see in the world. There are no shortcuts to any place worth going. You can never cross the ocean until you have the courage to lose sight of the shore. The greatest danger for most of us is not that our aim is too high and we miss it, but that our aim is too low and we hit it. Always bear in mind that your own resolution to succeed is more important than any other. It does not matter how slowly you go, as long as you do not stop. You are not a drop in the ocean. You are the entire ocean in a drop. Being alone is better than being with someone bad. Do not feel lonely. The entire universe is inside you. Lovers don't finally meet somewhere. They're in each other all along. A mother's heart is a child's school. The richest person is not the one who has the most, but the one who needs the least. The mouth should have 3 gatekeepers. Is it true? Is it kind? Is it necessary? Get together like brothers, but work together like strangers. We have 1 mouth and 2 ears for a reason. We need to listen more than we speak. Examine what is said, not he who speaks. Jealousy is nothing more than a fear of abandonment. A secret is like a dove. When it leaves my hand, it takes wings. Whatever is forbidden is desired. When it comes to the stomach, the mind is lost. A paradise without people is not worth stepping foot in. Whoever gets burned by soup blows on yogurt. Wishing does not make a poor man rich. A sense of humor is the pole that adds balance to our steps as we walk the tightrope of life. You reap what you sow. Ask your purse what you should buy. You will know your friend in time of need. A house divided cannot stand. Believe what you see and lay aside what you hear. Avoid things that will require an apology. A known mistake is better than an unknown truth. Beware of him to whom you have been charitable. A pebble can support a barrel. Beware the level-headed person if he's angry. Close the door that brings in the wind and relax. Determination is the key to everything. A tree begins with a seed. Be patient and you'll get what you want. Actions speak louder than words. Be wary around your enemy once, and your friend 1,000 times. A double-crossing friend knows more about what harms you. The saddest person is an envious person. Distance equals disaffection. Anger begins with madness, but ends in regret. Do not delay today's work for tomorrow. Arrogance diminishes wisdom. Discipline your son when he's young, and be his friend when he's grown. Arrogance is a weed that grows mostly on a dunghill. Experimentation is the greatest science. Ask the experienced rather than the learned. Every sun has to set. Avoid the company of liars, but if you can't, don't believe them. Do not eat your bread on somebody else's table. If you are charitable, you are rich. Go with the lesser of two evils. If you have an opinion, you better be determined. If the wind blows, ride it. Everyone is critical of the flaws of others, but blind to their own. If you're unable to reward, then make sure to thank. Falseness lasts an hour, the truth lasts forever. In haste there is regret, but in patience and care there is peace and safety. Give your friends your money and your blood, but don't justify yourself. Your enemies won't believe it, and your friends won't need it. He who digs a pit for his brother falls into it. It's better to fix what you have than wait to get what you don't have. Forgetting is the plague of knowledge. He whose house is made of glass should not throw stones. If speaking is of silver, then silence is of gold. Opinion comes before bravery. Planning is half of living. The smarter you are, the less you speak. Good health is a crown worn by the healthy that only the ill can see. The best answer comes from the person who is not angry. The rope of lies is short. The wisest person is the one who can forgive. It's better to avoid mistakes altogether than to do something you need to apologize for later. Keeping a secret is a commitment. The fruit of silence is tranquility. Put distance between you and everything dirty. Lack of intelligence is the greatest poverty. The monkey is a gazelle in the eyes of its mother. The house of a tyrant is a ruin. Laugh and the whole world laughs with you. Cry and you cry alone. Lying is a disease. Truth is the cure. Necessity is the mother of invention. One will not attain everything he wishes for. The winds blow where they will, not where the ships wish. Silence is the sign of approval. Speaking is not seeing. The world is like a belly dancer. It dances a little while for everyone. Think of your exit before you enter. Tomorrow is close if you have patience. Visit rarely, and you will be loved more. Wealth comes like a turtle and leaves like a gazelle. A foolish man may be known by 6 things: anger without cause, speech without profit, change without progress, inquiry without object, trusting a stranger, and mistaking foes for friends.